For this junk door, I paid $250. Let's open it up. See what we got. Ooh, coins. Nice. Whole bunch of stuff. I love when they separate stuff. Fashion rings. So a bunch of cheap rocks over here that is put on a ring. Oh, look at that one. There you go. That's a knife I need. That's a finger knife. That is so funny. Almost like a claw knife. And look at that. Your finger got, what do you call it? I can't even bend it over. Maybe it's too big for me or something. Or too small. That is so weird. Okay, let's put it back in a minute. So I like getting some new stuff in a junk door. Thank you very much. An extra gift for you. These. Ooh, look at that. A little flashlight. Looks like it's a little kitchen flashlight. And it looks pretty new with this nice LED light bulb. So let's see what else we have here. Nice. And something else in here. Ooh, another knife. I love knives. Tac Force. Generic knives. Ooh, is it Bellison? Nope. It's an imitation of it. That is so cool. I got excited. And it's kind of assisted. Yeah, it is assisted. Nice. So it looks like butterfly knife. Little scratch over here. But it is a new knife, as you can see. And it's assisted. So if you kick it hard enough, you got yourself right here. Generic, I don't know, like $5 knife. Pretty cool. Okay, should we open up coins? We'll open up coins at the end. What else we have here? I see something NFL. What is that? Wow, no way. This is NFL Steelers. Oh, there you go. Steelers woman sunglasses. That's cool. For a second I was like, wait, what is happening here? Wow, another knife. Let's see what we got here. Boom. Wow, that's beautiful. Plastic. What is it says? First cutlery. That's beautiful. New knife again. It says right here $6.99. This is why I always say they're on $5. And yep, I'm about to write. What is this? A compass? So it's a gift box of some sort. You turn it on open and then you... So I guess it's a puzzle box of some sort. It's empty. You turn to open and remove that sticker so people don't know how to open it. I still cannot open it. Cool. Oh, look at that. What is this guy? Smurfs? Okay, we have here computer cord, flashlight. There you go. Now we're getting into some junk. Leatherman? I wish. Those vintage Leathermans are money. But still, pretty cool tool. What is that? I have no idea. Another multi-tool knife with somebody's phone number, some kind of business. Okay, let's go through it a little bit quicker. What is that? That's some new stuff. I think this is like a remote control for one of the fans or something. I have no idea, but I don't know what it is. Another space lighter. Don't open that. There is seeds for those glass sculpture, but you know they actually go bad. If there is expiration date, they're not gonna go. There's a knife, another pretty cheap one most likely. Yep. Couple of cassettes over here. Look at that. Infinity Anna. Oh, is it frozen? I think so. At least it's new. Use the headphones. Another knife. Wow, this one is actually cool. I love mini knives. As you can see, I'm using right now a mini knife. Which one is that? First cutlery. This is pretty good brand, but still, I think I actually be using this knife. I do like the little box. Looks kind of vintage. Use this for now. Okay, there's another bag of junk. I like how they package it. One thing separately. Oh, that's another sunglasses. NFL Cowboys. Oh, bottle opener. Yep, I have those a lot. What is this? Dark Side. $4.99 says brand new. That's cool. Bottle opener. Oh, there's another box here. Twist to open, and there you go. It's like a gift box or something. The other one wouldn't open. Twist to lock. Well, this one doesn't lock. Cool. Dream catcher. Very nice, brand new. Okay, now we're getting some junk. There is a yo-yo, another multi-tool. I have so many of them because I've done TSA confiscated knives. This one looks pretty nice and new. Some junk knives over here because they are so used, but I like it. What is this? It looks new and it's look junky, so I don't worry about beating up a nice knife. Look at that. This knife looks like a motorcycle. Ah, something broke inside there now. Yeah, that's definitely a junk knife. And a couple more flashlights over here. Oh wow, it actually has batteries in it. Cool. And more little stuff. Okay, it says coins over here. Let's see if we get our value back, because I paid $250. I'd say for everything so far maybe $30. Camera died on me, but anyways, we got right here Canadian $5 2014 frosted. Is this 1 ounce or half an ounce? Kinda small inside of this case. 4 nines fine silver 1 ounce urgent pure $9.99 Canadian. That's awesome. Maple leaf frosted. That's pretty cool. I like it. Let's see what else we have here. Okay, nice. 4 more silver coins. So melt value of these coins. Silver is really high right now. What is this? 5 ounces of silver. That's $35 or $32. On eBay you can sell them really easily at $30. That would be even cheap. So 30, 60, 90, 120, 150. So we're a little bit overpaid on this junk door for sure, because I think I paid closer for $250. But I guess it was a lot of fun and I will make my money back from a YouTube video. I have another $50 junk door. Let's just put them together since they're kind of smaller. Okay, makeup, those beads. So far it really is junk. Okay, looks like some coins. Nice. Okay. Ooh, there's paper money in here. Nice. Some more beads. Homemade Christmas ornament. Let's look at the money real quick. Ooh, gold backs. That's awesome. And this is Venezuela 10. Pretty cool. Oh, look at that. Moravied. I don't know how you call it in English. And Ita. That's what we call them. Wow, look at that. This side here, actual gold. And premium on this thing is very high. It looks like it's 2020 and it's 1/1000 troy ounce 24 karat gold. And what's cool about the gold backs, you can touch them, you can play with them, you don't have to worry about rubbing it off the gold. It's not actually gold plated. The gold, the 1/1000th of the gold is actually inside of the this plastic material, you know, and that's actual gold of it. The gold box idea of it is spendable because it's so little bit amount of gold there is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this gold box, particular ones, sell around $5. So that's it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So $20 plus another bill over here. That is cool. Ooh, some vintage stamps. This is one of those credit card knives. They're so cheap and they fall apart. I have put to the test all the time knives like that, and whenever you try to cut through the box, it actually falls apart. For me, that's what happens every time I use it. So if you can find the actual metal one, not plastic, those are a little bit better. So, and then the idea of it, I guess, to put it in your wallet. Okay, kind of being eaten up by mosquitoes, so let's get it over with. Ooh, what is that? Is that silver bar? I will have to test it if it's real silver or not. But it's kind of cool, like home poured bars. Copper nickel, Denmark, 1972. Okay, 1967, so 40% silver. 67, half dollar, another 67, 66. Cool. And then there is a bunch of junk. So my thoughts of that. Hopefully this is silver, but it's only a gram. It might be. So my thought of this $50 junk door, it's pretty good. We got it here $20, easy sellable gold box, and bunch of 40% silvers. So again, a little bit overpay for sure. I would pay way less for that stuff. Unless this is actual silver, that might be another 20 bucks. But yeah, there you go. But whenever you buy junk doors, it should be more of a wholesale. I don't think it was much of a discount. If anything, there was a little bit of a premium on these things. Anyways, let me know in comments below, what do you think about these junk doors?